Gustong gusto ko to na plants na to. Kasi may color siya at yung color niya is very nice. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya paramihin.
With each step we take, we'll plant a happy seed. Clarence TV's where the good vibes lie. Join us on this journey. Let's feel alive. We walk together, hand in hand, on Clarence TV. Happiness will always end.
Kung wala akong work, so dito kami pumupunta para mag-farming. Yan. And very nice naman siya kasi kasi may ma-harvest ka.